Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to view and adjust your settings on Discord for PC, especially with the new update. This is essential for personalizing your experience, so let's get started. First, make sure you have Discord open on your PC. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and find the Discord icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once it's up and running, you'll see your servers and channels ready for you. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon. This icon represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up the settings panel where you can make various adjustments. Once the settings menu is open, take a moment to look at the left sidebar. Here you'll find several categories like My Account, Privacy and Safety, Voice and Video, and more. Each of these sections allows you to customize your Discord experience according to your needs. For instance, if you want to update your profile, click on My Account to change your username or profile picture. If you're a gamer, check out the Game Activity section to manage how Discord interacts with your gaming activity. Don't forget to explore the Privacy and Safety settings. This is where you can control who can send you friend requests, direct messages, and more. It's crucial to set these options according to your comfort level. Finally, take your time to navigate through all the options available. The settings menu is designed to be user-friendly, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. In summary, to view your settings on Discord for PC, open the app, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner, and choose what you want to adjust. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy Discording!